Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop getting direct messages on TikTok. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then tap on search bar and search for this TikTok, and you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. If there is any update, just make sure to update the TikTok application, and after updating, just open the TikTok application, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, and then go for this settings and privacy, and now tap on this privacy second option, scroll down and tap on this third option, messaging, and now tap on this first option, messaging, and as you can see this, who can send you messages, everyone, suggested friends, followers, and follow back people you send messages to, and no one. So I'm going for this no one, and now you can go for this group chats as well and tap on this no one. Now no one is able to send you messages. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.